In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for beginners. If you've never used Jira before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basics and be able to manage a project step by step. Jira is a powerful project management tool used to plan, track, and manage tasks. It is widely used in software development, but it can also be used for any type of project. Let's start with the basics. After logging into Jira, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can access projects and view activity. The first step is to create a space. Go to the space and click the plus icon. Choose a template like Scrum or Kanban, give your project a name, and click Create. Now inside your project, everything is managed as an issue. An issue can be a task, a bug, or a story. To create one, click the Create button, enter a title, description, assign it to someone, and set a priority. Next, let's understand the board. Jira boards help you track progress visually. You'll usually see columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. As work moves forward, you simply drag and drop issues between these columns. Now let's talk about backlog and sprint. The backlog is where all your tasks are stored before work begins. You can prioritize tasks here. If you're using Scrum, you can create a sprint by moving tasks from the backlog into a sprint and then starting it. Another important concept is workflow. A workflow defines the stages your task goes through, like from to do to done. You can customize these stages based on your project needs. Jira also allows you to assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and add comments. This helps improve communication and accountability. To track progress across projects, you can use dashboards. Dashboards show reports, activity, and task status all in one place. Finally, Jira Automation helps you save time by automating repetitive tasks. For example, you can automatically move a task to done when it's completed. In summary, Jira helps you create projects, manage tasks, track progress, and collaborate with your team efficiently. Start simple, practice regularly, and you'll quickly become comfortable using Jira. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing!